This is a perfect example of a new plant being used in a unique use. It's a brand new on the market. And it's actually, the green plant here is a basil called boxwood. So it's boxwood basil. And if we think of the formal gardens of Europe and how they use the woody shrub boxwood, they always pruned them in these little tiny hedges and geometric shapes and patterns like knot gardens or whatever. And so here we're using a basil that naturally grows in this small round ball, planting them together so they fill in, and we've created this diamond shape, much like they would in Europe. And then the traditional thing in those patterns is to put something in the center of that geometric shape. And here we've used that red flowered celosia. So it really creates a unique garden that also, if you wanted formal square hedges, this boxwood could be pruned that way, but we have never pinched or done anything to this. It's just been planted and forgotten. But if you did want to shear it, you could, and then of course you'd have tons of pesto to create with your basil. These two long beds are really a series of short display gardens saying, here, these work together and you can create these interesting patterns or interesting textural changes or that sort of thing. The other thing, it is actually a test because we know the basil will grow here and we know the celosia will grow here. But will they grow well in combination? Will one take all the water or overpower the other one? What'll work well? And as it turns out, these two are very compatible in this type of arrangement. This is really an example garden that we're trying to show people how you can take plants that you might not normally use, in this case an herb, use it in your flower bed for some very unique effects.
For more information, visit your local extension office or visit our website at kansasgreenyards.org.